already come out and said I'm not going to prosecute anything under 2 ounces of marijuana if it's not associated with any other offense. You know what I specifically mean there? It's still against the law, you know, to drive your vehicle while under the influence. So if someone is stopped because they're driving in a reckless manner or violating the vehicle and traffic law, and they're under the influence, you know, of marijuana, you know, I'm gonna prosecute that person.
Okay.
It's the same thing with alcohol. But if you want to, you know, go to a concert or you know, get high, that's your business, and I'm not going to be prosecuting anything under 2 ounces. My thoughts were always decriminalize instead of legalize, and I think the legislature did well in decriminalizing. So before there could be legalization, I'm still very skeptical. I think, you know, there needs to be a way to prevent people from driving while under the influence. I also think that, you know, there needs to be, you know, some way to regulate it in the workplace. I can foresee issues with employers. If, you know, what are they going to do? Drug test, you know, their employees every day, especially if they're using heavy machinery. They've got liability issues. I think there needs to be, you know, a lot more research that goes into it. That's why I was always a proponent of decriminalize rather than legalize at this point.